So, Wall Street was back in rally mode on Wednesday, and honestly, it feels like the markets just can't stay down for long. Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, October 9th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. The Standard & Poor's 500 climbed about 0.6%, shaking off a rare losing day. The Nasdaq led the charge, jumping more than 1% and closing above 23,000 for the very first time. The Dow was kind of the odd one out, basically flat by the end of the day. Meanwhile, gold just can't stop shining. Futures hit a new record after topping $4,000 per ounce for the first time earlier this week. Investors have been piling in, treating it as a safe haven and, as some experts call it, a debasement trade against the dollar. But the real action came after the Federal Reserve released its meeting minutes. Traders went through every line, looking for clues on the next policy moves. And it looks like rate cuts are still very much on the table, even though the Fed is split internally. Most policymakers agree that easing further this year could be the right call, but others are clearly more cautious. Add to that a government shutdown that's now 1 week old, and, well, things get even murkier. With no fresh economic data coming out, both investors and the Fed are basically flying blind. President Trump hasn't helped sentiment much either, hinting that furloughed workers might not get their back pay, and yet markets keep moving higher, powered by AI optimism, gold momentum, and maybe a bit of faith that the Fed will blink first. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.